hi guys, good morning. Just another day in Italy and we are finally leaving for Amalfi now. We are in Rome. I carried my lenses but forgot to carry the lens cover. All the lenses were new. So I saw a medical all over there but they didn't have it. So now we'll leave.
Do we need mask? Do we need mask?
Yeah, we need mask.
No problem.
No problem. Okay.
Go back down.
नहीं चलेगा. Now we are headed to McDonald's for some quick food. तो भाग रही है?
नहीं, मैं नहीं भाग रही हूँ। मैं मुंबई की ट्रेन नहीं पकड़ रही हूँ।
बाय, ये चली जाएगी ऑन टाइम। ये लेट नहीं होती है। Basically, you have to scan the ticket in here. Finally we are in the train and I'll show you how it is here. So basically you get a small bin all the way over. It's really nice. The little things, there's this switch that switches on the light if you want to read, and there is this is broken, but yeah, there is charging that you could do, and you can even plug in your adapter. So that's how you basically do. सो जितनी ही स्पेशियस और अमेजिंग इटली की ट्रेन है उतना ही यूनिक इसका टॉयलेट है, स्पेशली द डोर, द सर्कुलर वन. इट टुक मी टाइम टू फिगर आउट हाउ इट ओपन्स, बट एनीवे आई होप यू लाइक द इटली ट्रेन टूर एंड नाउ आई एम हेडेड बैक टू माई फ्रेंड्स टू वॉच तारक मेहता अंटिल वी रीच सोलेर्नो. So we have got down at Salerno. So we have got this car, yellow lovely GT. We paid around €160 for 2 days with around €300 of deposit. Wow. The car is really in a lovely condition. Now they generally take a video, so in case if you crash or anything, they'll always have, you know, a proof and they'll charge you based on that. This is the big car that we asked from her, which costed us $240 for 2 days, and I think around same €300 deposit. It's a wonderful restaurant, like a takeaway. You can buy €1 each. वो कहते हैं ना, हर एक ट्रिप में वो एक ऐसी खास बात ज़रूर होती है जो ट्रिप के एक्सपीरियंस को मेमोरेबल और ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट लेवल पे ले जाता है. नाउ इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. इट कैन बी डेस्टिनेशन, अ स्पेशल पर्सन, मूवमेंट, एडवेंचरस एक्टिविटी, और लाइक आई सेड, एनीथिंग. बट इस बार शायद हमारे लिए ये हमारा स्टे है एट मयूरी इन एंजेलिना अपार्टमेंट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, मयूरी इज़ 5 to 6 kilometers away from Amalfi coast, which is like 15 to 20 minutes drive. and according to me, it's not that far. So regarding to the cost, we are paying around 420 euros for 2 nights, and that too for 10 people. And trust me, this is really beautiful and luxurious apartment that I have ever seen in my life. Because the best part of this apartment is the view that you get from the outside. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो कि एंडलेस बीच का एक्सपीरियंस आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा, एकदम ही पीसफुल लगता है यहाँ पे. एंड आई थिंक आई एम गोना फॉल इन लव विद दिस प्लेस. And now I'm gonna try and fly this drone, so that you can see what a different vibe it is of Maiori and Amalfi all together. Say hi to everyone.
Hi.
This is my friend Utkarsh. Are going to one of the point there. The view is going to be amazing, I believe. Let's see. What do you think about Capri Island, by the way? Is this something you've already visited or you would love to visit? गया देवांग तू गया अबे सेक्सी रौनक सेक्सी बच गया तू मस्त वीडियो है गया So basically a really funny incident happened right now. So I was trying to fly my drone, and because of the wind, and I tried to take it off from the backside of the boat, and when I tried to fly it, the guy asked me, the guy who drives the boat, he asked me that, are you a professional? I was like, yeah, I am professional. And I flew the drone, I gave it a takeoff command. So basically when you want to fly a drone, you hit takeoff, and then it takes off to a certain height, and then you can take over the control, wherever you want to fly. So what happened basically, when I gave it a takeoff command, because of the wind,
it went all the way to the right hand side of the boat. It was close to the corner. It went to the corner, it hit the boat, and then all the way went down. And that was really funny. And another 600 or 500 euro loss. I had DJI Mini 2 or Mini 1, but we'll get a new drone anyway soon. So what happened after this scene was I freaked out for a few minutes, and immediately after it went into the water, I called Parts because he's the only one who seemed like to be an experienced swimmer. But again, you can understand that swimming is different than going into the deep sea and trying to get the drone back. Was completely a different thing. So I can realize, I did ask him if he could see, but since we were moving, we wouldn't know where the drone is, and the drone, it did not float, it went straight inside, so we couldn't recover it. And I felt a little bad for the first few minutes, but then now it's fine. Anyway, I was planning to get the DJI FPV drone. Let's see how it is. So hi guys, first of all, thank you so much if you're watching till here. I really appreciate it. And as you can see, the vlog is almost ready, and it's 11 p.m. right now in Ireland, and I have to get this final shot done and edit it so I can upload it over the weekend. Regarding Amalfi, बहुत ही beautiful experience था. I really enjoyed staying there because day one we went to Maiori and Amalfi town, like nearby, and it was really good. And day two we rented that boat like you've seen in the video, and then we went to Capri Island and places around it. बहुत ही अच्छा experience था, except for losing the drone. And to be honest, जितना दर्द मुझे ड्रोन के खोने का है, उससे कहीं ज़्यादा मुझे रिग्रेट ये हुआ कि मेरे दोस्तों को पता चल गया, क्योंकि सालों ने बहुत पूरे ट्रिप में मजाक उड़ाया। और तो और जो दोस्त मेरा आयरलैंड में बैठा था, जो इटली आया भी नहीं था, उसे भी वो वीडियो भेजा और उसे भी बताया कि करण का ड्रोन खो गया है, कॉल कर। एंड देन आई वाज रिसीविंग हिज टेक्स्ट एंड कॉल कि यार क्या हो गया एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट ड्रामा. So that's fine. At the end of the day, that's what friends are for. They'll pull your leg and they'll make fun of you. But apart from that, Amalfi is really beautiful place, and if you want to add to your list of Italy, then do make sure that you add it. And there's a quick tip for you. Usually Amalfi and Positano is really very popular and crowded places, so the rent of accommodation, rent of apartments and hotels would be really expensive. So I would say that try and avoid staying at Amalfi or Positano, and try to stay at Salerno or Mauri or Scala and places like that. So I've listed more places in my article. I generally share a detailed article after my trip, wherein I put the images, more information about the places, my personal experience, direct links for those locations, and even their direct links to book them. So what I'll do is I'll drop it in the description of this video, and you can check that out, and you will have more information to plan the trip. Apart from that, I hope you like this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments which was the most exciting part that you liked about this video. What was the great thing about this video? And I would really like to improve myself in terms of content creation, so I would really appreciate if you can share constructive feedback as well in the video के कौन से part में कहाँ ज़्यादा improvement हो सकता है. And I'll see you in the next video. But yeah, before I end this video, just a glimpse, just a hint of another vlog. Myself and my team are working on editing the Maranello vlog, wherein I visited the Ferrari museum. I've seen more than 30 to 50 Ferrari cars, all from vintage to the modern sporty Ferrari cars, and it was amazing experience. I also did the Ferrari simulation, and I'm sure you'll really like that video. So until then, take care of yourself and see you in the next video.